Hello traders, you're welcome to this video. You're welcome back to the Forex Geek channel. Now, if you are not yet subscribed to this channel, you are missing out. Believe me, you are missing out because we cover a lot of Forex related information in this channel, including trading strategies, trading indicators, um, reviews. If there are some platforms that you would like to get reviews about, we also cover reviews, in case of you have plans of perhaps joining an academy or learning from a tutorial platform or things like that. We also cover, you know, probably I'll call it short reviews of such platforms. And if there is anything at all you would also like us to cover, which we have not covered yet, you can also reach out to us via any of our social media channels or even just drop a comment on one of our videos and let us know what topic you would love us to cover. So that's by the way, in this video, we are just going to be looking at aggressive trading strategies. Okay, aggressive trading strategies. um if you are looking to take your trading skills to the next level, just know that you are in the right place. Okay, the Forex Geek channel is for you. All right. Now, strategies that are designed for traders who aren't afraid to make bold moves are what we are referring to as aggressive trading strategies. Okay, so let's get started. Now, first of all, let's explore the fundamentals of aggressive trading. So what does it really mean to trade aggressively? It's all about making calculated moves and capitalizing on market volatility. All right? With aggressive trading, understanding key principles like risk management, market analysis, and psychological preparation is essential. By mastering this concept, you can navigate the fast paced world of Forex with confidence. Remember, aggressive doesn't mean reckless, okay? They are not the same thing. It's about making informed decisions that align with your trading goals, okay? Now, let's break down several effective aggressive trading strategies you can implement right away. One popular method is scalping. All right. Now, scalping is a strategy that involves making multiple trades throughout the day. You can literally make tens of trades, even hundreds if possible. Yeah, because if you are trading on, let's say, the 1 minute time frame and you are trading a volatile pair like gold, you can literally make 100 trades in a day. Yeah, because you can be literally buying and selling almost every minute. Okay, so it's a that's the reason why it's an aggressive strategy. And there are some scalpers that uh have a specific targets in a day. So perhaps when they get to their target, they're done for the day. Some other scalpers might just decide to grab every opportunity that they find. Okay, so however you decide to do your own scalping, scalping basically involves making multiple trades throughout the day to capitalize on small price movements. Okay, now, another effective approach is momentum trading. All right. Now, the momentum trading is a strategy that focuses on trading stocks or currency pairs, any other asset of your choice, the ones that are moving significantly in one direction on high volume. Okay. So, this strategy is the one that, involves volume, right? When you notice that there's a high volume in a particular asset at a particular time, then you will want to trade, in line with the direction, right? Direction, the momentum currently in the market. Okay, so it's crucial to understand the importance of emotional control. It's very very crucial. You have to learn how to manage your emotions, whether you are scalping or whether you are momentum trading. You have to learn how to manage your emotions, okay? Because when you are trading aggressively, if you can't get hold of your emotions or if you can't handle your emotions properly, you might end up giving a lot of money to the market, right? You're gonna be making a lot of donations to the forex market, and mind you, the forex market is a $1 billion market, right? I think it should be about, is it to $7 billion being traded every single day, every single trading day in the forex market. So it's a, it's not a market that you want to dash your money to. Okay, so if you're trading aggressively, you should try to manage your emotions properly. Make sure you handle greed, make sure you handle fear, make sure you handle impatience, and make sure that you use proper analysis. Okay, do not hope, right? Do not be hoping that things will go your way, right? Make sure you follow what the market is saying, okay? So basically, that is it. The aggressive strategies we're talking about are basically scalping and momentum trading. Now, you can have a variety of strategies around scalping. You can also have a variety of strategies around momentum. So these are just like the general strategies. I'm just talking about scalping because there are a lot of scalping strategies and there are a lot of momentum strategies. Okay, so whether you are momentum trading or whether you are scalping, just know that you should be disciplined. Okay, be disciplined when you are trading with any aggressive strategy. Okay, be disciplined. All right, so if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more trading insights into forex trading. All right, your support helps us create more valuable content for traders like you, so don't miss out on what's coming next. And also, before I forget, make sure that you always practice good risk management. Okay, it's very, very crucial. And make sure that you use good risk to reward ratios when you are trading. All right, so if you are risking $1, for example, good risk to reward ratio means you should be making at least times two of what you are risking. It could be times three, it could be times four, five, 10, whatever. But I recommend that the least should be times two. Okay, so if you are risking $1, your potential profit should be minimum of $2. Okay, so thanks for watching. Until next time, keep trading smart and remember to stay informed. See you in the next video.